We too much. We be number one. For bed, for na Calabar. We too much. For Calabar. Everything na Calabar. Yes, because you are not sabi.
I agree.
Calabar, yes.
This argument has been going on all this while. They said that in Nigeria, the people that cook best so far and also have food so far, different delicacies, are Igbos and Cross River. Now, if you come for internet now, between Igbo and Cross River also argue who can cook best. Now, I want to nail this argument once and for all. Me, I know they for talk. I want make we finish and here. Nah, for this market. Calabar people there, Igbo people there. So right now, I want me to begin to call food where they get. Mommy, wait. Mommy, wait. Mommy, wait.
Everything Calabar sabi do. Calabar can take care of their husband. Calabar can cook. If you go for housework, na Calabar. If you go for cook, if you Calabar stand, Igbo stand, Yoruba stand, who they go carry? Calabar. We too much. Everything Calabar too. For housework, Calabar. Everything na Calabar. Yes. Calabar too much.
What is our force?
Yes. Otherwise, Calabar too much for everything.
Yes.
For everything, for cooking. Now we take Calabar too much. Even for food, we get food.
I want to ask you something. You know, say you get the difference between people who get food fast and people who serve food fast.
We
so
get
wait, can come one after another. If you come between Calabar and Igbo, which people sabi cook soup fast?
Calabar. I go name the food for you. Where the food?
Wait. He said everybody. You know what I'm talking now? Wait. Anybody will win now. Go see go with money now.
Come on. Let us find it.
Okay, you know what happened? I want two Calabar woman and two Igbo woman. All right, now, between my sides, we have Igbo here, we have Cross River, Calabar here. So we want to know people that get plenty food now and also people that can cook fast by mentioning the food they can cook. 1, 2, go! Where should I start? Igbo, okay. Aya. Bitter leaf soup. Afan soup. Okazi soup, fast. Edikaiko. Oha soup. Afeferego. Isala. Edika.
Achara soup.
Achara.
Akama. Soup. Egusi soup.
Oha soup. They don't call what they call before. See, we start again. Wait, please. Hello. Make you no call waiting person don't call before.
Then they call them now.
Go.
Obana soup.
I don't want again. I don't want 1, 2, go.
Mercy upon us.
Baha soup. Editan. Achara soup. Ede. Atama. Sara soup. Oha. Ekpa. Hey. Now for you. Egusi. Mpaso. Obala. Etiki. Ede.
Cross River is winning. Cross River, Calabar is winning. God bless you. Let me just compensate them small because the tribal people hold this one.